Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to address a common question. How long can milk be stored in the refrigerator? Let's dive right in and find out. Refrigeration plays a vital role in preserving the freshness and extending the shelf life of milk. It helps to slow down the growth of bacteria, ensuring that your milk stays safe to consume for a longer time. The shelf life of milk can vary depending on a few factors. First, let's consider the temperature. Keeping your refrigerator at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, is crucial for maintaining milk's quality and safety. Most milk available in stores is pasteurized, meaning it has undergone a heat treatment to kill harmful bacteria. Pasteurized milk generally has a longer shelf life compared to unpasteurized or raw milk. To determine if milk is still good to consume, always check the expiration date printed on the packaging. However, it's important to rely on your senses as well. If the milk smells sour or has an off-putting odor, it's best to discard it. As a general guideline, it's recommended to consume milk within 1 week of opening the container. Be sure to tightly seal the carton or transfer it to an airtight container to maintain freshness. If you find yourself with excess milk nearing its expiration date, freezing is a fantastic option. Pour the milk into freezer-safe containers, leaving some space for expansion, and use it within 3 months for the best quality. So, how long can milk be stored in the refrigerator? It's all about maintaining a cool temperature, checking the expiration date, and trusting your senses. Remember, when in doubt, it's better to be safe than sorry. Cheers to fresh and delicious milk. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more food-related tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.